Can your personality type change? Can my personality type change? Yeah. And I kind of talked about that in one of the other videos. But let's get into that. Your core wiring may stay relatively consistent, but your expression can mature. What does that mean? It means that you will always be wired a certain way, but as you develop yourself, the way that wiring is expressed to the world may look different, be different. And that will be a change that you may experience. Your strengths can become weaknesses when they are immature, overused, or unconscious. So maybe your strengths that you have right now are immature, overused, and unconscious. And if that's the case, as you develop awareness around your personality and you begin to mature, that expression of yourself might change. Maybe there's a way about you that there's things about you that everybody loves, but there's these couple of things you do that just drive people crazy because it's maybe you're inconsiderate or inconsistent in some sort of way. But you do these assessments and you mature. And now those things that used to drive people crazy because you were literally doing something that just was ill fit for social norms. And now you're more in alignment. You're more mature. People will see your behavior change. Your personality shift a little bit. That can happen. 100%. Do not use your type as an excuse to stay the same. Use it as a map for growth. When I was telling you about how one of my personality tests that I had taken multiple times over the course of years, when it finally changed, I had this moment of just what I did is the moment that I got those new results, I started to think about how the results that I had gotten before, I had resonated with them so much, but I managed to resonate them without boxing myself in. And I never used those results I never let those results be the reason that I decided to stay the way that I was. And because of that, I only used my results as reflection tools over the course of time as I matured, as I grew, as I healed. By me not trapping myself in that identity, I could honestly answer the questions again and get new and different results. So don't take these results that you get, put yourself in a box, and then only conduct yourself in alignment with this box. Do not do that. The more developed you become, the more range you have. This is one of the most beautiful things about integrating yourself, is the way you can move through the world. The more range you have, you can walk into any room and apply yourself appropriately. The real question is not, can my type change? The better question is, can I become more conscious, balanced, and aligned? That's what we're after. We're not looking to find out what our personality type is. We're not trying to put ourselves in a category or a box. We want to be aligned. We want to find out where we're not living in alignment and where we're forcing ourselves into a way of being because it's what we know. And it's how we make the world and the people in it around us comfortable. So can I be more conscious, more balanced, and more aligned? That's what we're after. And as you become more conscious and balanced and aligned, your behavior will change. Maybe not your personality, maybe your personality a little bit, but the behavior will change. No doubt about it. So I hope that answers your question. in case you were asking. Can my personality type change? We're almost there, folks. It's almost time for your first assessment. And that's it for this one. We'll see you on the next one.